right. Thank you. Come on. Appreciate it. So guys, here I am at the Saigon Zoo and Botanical Gardens. One of the oldest zoos in Asia and from my understanding in the world. So let's go check it out and see what it's all about. Behold the white tiger. Beautiful. But look at those paws. Man, they're so huge. And it's like right here. This close. I don't think I've ever been this close to a tiger before. Poor guy's hot. So this is one is called the kapoki tree. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that the right way, but it's a massive tree. So this is one of my favorite parts, the crocodiles, and they got them. They got a bunch of them.
Wait, there's 8. There's 8 of them, Kim. That's like...
So let's go check out some bugs. Everybody loves bugs, right? But what about these bugs? Look at the size of these suckers. Oh my God. Look, it starts with a try like it's a dinosaur or something. Got our butterflies. More juicy bugs. I bet they're high in protein. Look at this guy, he's huge. And this one, I mean, there's a case here that's up about 2.5, 3 inches. So my finger's not even laying next to it, and it's about 2 of my thumbs on that one. So definitely wouldn't want to run into that guy in the woods, you know what I'm saying? So many different types of butterflies. Look at the size of this one. I mean, it's bigger than my hand. Now we've made it over here to where the elephants are. I see 3 of them. Looks like we got the male over here and probably 2 females here. That's what it looks like. Keep them separated. Oh, there's 4 of them. So this botanical garden has been around since 1864. It's endured a lot of time. Wow, look at all the bonsai trees. Where's Mr. Miyagi? So I'm just cruising through here in the reptile house, and I noticed that this one, they just threw a whole chicken in there to feed whatever's in there. Yeah, a whole chicken. So what's in there? I'm trying to find it. Must be behind those leaves or something. But yeah, I'd say it's pretty good size. If it's a whole chicken, yeah. I mean, this big guy right here, he didn't even get a whole chicken. You know what I'm saying? Well, he's big. So I found where they're storing the cobra at. King cobra. All right, it's fixing to rain. Oh look, here he is. Look, got him. The window's so dirty it's hard to see, but he's in there. He stood up a minute ago. Man, he's big. He's as big around as my arm. Look, he's like getting nervous or something. Could you imagine coming across that guy in the woods or the jungle? I bet he's 10 feet long. Yeah, he's probably close to 10 feet long, I bet. Look at that. Here he comes. His head's as big as my fist, and it's not even flared out, you know what I'm saying? Wow. That is cool. I mean, he's so big. It's just death on the other side of that glass. Don't tell him how big his fangs are. So we got 3 kings right here. He's watching me. Holy cow. Got pretty nice accommodations, not bad. It's not the Marriott, but you know, not bad for the king. Oh my god. Oh, he's flexing his jaws. He's like yawning and stretching and stuff. That's one king you don't want to make mad. Trust me on that. Oh, look. Another one.
Oh, that's good, bro.
Yeah. Oh man, I tapped the glass and he just... I wish there was some light in there. So it got really cloudy really fast. It's only like 4:30 something, but these cages don't really have lights in them, so it's hard to see the snakes, the king cobras that are in there. I think it's about to start raining soon. I've heard thunder, so I'm gonna call it a day and head on back out of here. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the show, and if you ever get the chance to come here, please come check it out, the Saigon Zoo. And if you haven't already hit that subscribe and like button, please do so on your way out. It's starting to pick up the weather a little bit here. So thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.